Hey everyone, today is Tuesday, December 8th. We went over a whole lot of important information Monday. So if you were absent, you need to ask me for the Google Meet recording and watch it, okay? Because we learned some stuff that's going to be on your summative, and I talked about important things. So your I can statement is I can determine the meaning of words and phrases, including figurative meanings, and analyze their impact on meaning and tone. Same thing we've been doing. So one of the things we talked about was the difference between denotation and connotation. You need to know this for the exam, I think, but you need to know this just in general too. So denotation is when you're saying, when you say something, you mean exactly what you say. Okay, so if you say, I am very cold, you literally mean that you feel very cold. Okay, so you mean exactly what you say. Connotation is when you mean something other than what you say. Like, for example, if I say, I am a popsicle, okay, I'm not literally a popsicle. I'm using figurative language and I mean something other than what I say. Okay, so figurative language is connotation. So make sure you understand that. Okay, figurative language is connotation. A couple other things, just a reminder. Tone is the writer's attitude or feelings. Diction are that's the choice of words and phrases that the writer makes. Okay, so and then theme is a lesson the reader can learn from the story and apply to his or her own life. The theme is not a summary of what happened. And this was one of the examples I gave you. So Anita wrote in a diary about what happened. That is not a theme. That is just telling me something that happened in the story. Okay, a lesson I can pull from Anita writing in her diary is that writing in a diary can help you deal with trauma and sort your feelings. Okay, so you have to be able to take the theme, which is a lesson, and apply it to your own life and your own society. Okay, so to get marked present today, you need to complete the Google form I posted yesterday. Okay, so follow the link that's in the Google form if you want to read the actual diary for context, if you need to look at the actual passage to figure out the answer. Okay, once you turn in the Google form, it will give you immediate feedback. Please check your answers and read the feedback for clarity. Okay, so this is the best way you can prepare for the summative exam is reading that feedback. Okay. I also told you guys Monday that I have personal emergency going on, so I'm gonna have to take a break from teaching. So my last day teaching for you guys will be next Friday, the 18th. Okay, and I'm going to miss you all a whole bunch, and I'm sorry I have to leave. But apparently, the new teacher taking over is awesome, and I hope you'll really like her. So, you'll have her starting when you come back from holiday vacation in January, okay? So, anyway, what that means is that I need you to turn in any late work no later than this Friday, the 11th. So if you're planning on turning anything in, you need to go ahead and do it. I'm not taking it after Friday, and neither will she. Okay, so this includes assignments, formative exams, and your first summative exam. Okay, so you have to have that in by this Friday. If you email me this Saturday, and ask to turn something in still, I'm going to say no because I'm not going to have time to grade it. Okay. The second thing is your summative that you're taking next week is absolutely due Thursday by 4 p.m. Okay. So I'm not taking this late. I can't because I'm not going to be here. So you have to get your exam to me turned in by Thursday, 4 p.m. Or otherwise you're just going to have a 0. Okay. So, and please don't do that because that's worth 60% of your grade. Okay. And then Friday the 18th, that's my last day with you guys. I'm going to have a study type session at 9:30 and 12:30, and you have to sign up for one of those two Google sessions if you want to revise your summative, to have the opportunity to revise it, because you have to tell me ahead of time so that I can be sure I have graded your exam by Friday. Okay, so be sure you sign up for that. The sign up sheet is in the stream section in Google Classroom, and I'll put it under the classwork tab too. That doesn't mean you have to revise it if you got a 4 or 5. That just means that you want to come and join one of the Google Meet sessions, see what your grade is, and then if you're happy with it, you can leave. If you're not happy with it, you can revise your summative. Friday is the only day you get to do it during those Google Meets because I can't have you all turning this stuff in after Friday. I won't be here. Okay? But that's it. So that's all I had to tell you. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm. Let me know if you have any questions.